In this video, I'll detail how to add emergency contacts on Samsung Galaxy phone. So you can add multiple emergency contacts on your Samsung Galaxy phone so that when you need help or you want to call emergency number, you can just press the side button 5 times like this to put a call through to your emergency SO contact on your Samsung device. So if you're done with this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to add emergency contacts on Samsung Galaxy phone is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then locate safety and emergency and click on that. Once you select that, locate emergency contact. Then you can see I already added a contact to my emergency contact list. Click on add emergency contact, then select the number, click on done. Then click another emergency contact, select the number, click on done. Again, select another contact, click on done. Then you can see I have multiple contacts added to my emergency contact on my Samsung Galaxy device. Is this? Now the essence of this is this will share your contact location and take a picture of the intruder to this contact if you turn on emergency sharing on your Samsung Galaxy device. So you can also show on lock screen. If you want to disable this. If you want to show this on lock screen, show this on lock screen. So that is how you can easily add emergency contact on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you found this video fun informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.